Robotic Process Automation, or RPA, is a digital helper for boring tasks. RPA uses software programs to do jobs that people usually do. These digital helpers can work on computers just like humans do. They can click buttons, type words, and move information around. RPA is all about software robots, not physical ones. These software robots can work 24/7 without getting tired. RPA can do many tasks faster and better than humans. It's especially good at repetitive jobs that follow strict rules. Companies use RPA to make their work easier and faster. For example, RPA can help with data entry, filling out forms, and moving information between systems. It's like having a super fast, super accurate assistant that never sleeps. RPA is changing how businesses work, making them more efficient and saving money. RPA is not just for big companies. Small businesses can use it too. From banks to hospitals, RPA is making a big difference in how work gets done. RPA works by copying what humans do on computers. It uses special software to watch and learn from people. Then it can do those same tasks on its own. Think of it like teaching a very smart parrot to use a computer. Once the parrot learns, it can do the job without help. The first step in RPA is to pick a task to automate. This could be something like copying data from emails into a spreadsheet. Next, the RPA software watches a person do the task and records every click and keystroke. After learning the task, the RPA software creates a bot. This bot is a set of instructions that tell the computer how to do the task. The bot can then do the job just like a human would. RPA bots can work with many different kinds of computer programs. RPA can also work with artificial intelligence to handle more complex tasks. RPA brings many benefits to businesses. The biggest one is that it saves time and money. RPA bots can work much faster than humans and don't get tired or make mistakes from boredom. This means companies can get more work done in less time. They can also save money by not having to hire as many people for repetitive tasks. Another big benefit is that RPA improves accuracy. Humans sometimes make mistakes, especially when doing boring jobs over and over. RPA bots don't get bored or distracted, leading to fewer errors and better quality work. RPA also helps make customers happier by providing faster and more accurate service. For example, an insurance company using RPA might process claims much faster. Lastly, RPA frees up human workers to do more interesting jobs. Instead of spending hours on boring tasks, people can focus on work that needs creativity and problem-solving skills. This can make employees happier and more productive. RPA doesn't replace humans, it just helps them work on more important things. RPA is growing fast in the business world. More and more companies are starting to use it. One big trend is that RPA is becoming easier to use. In the past, you needed to be a computer expert to set up RPA. Now, there are tools that make it simpler. This means more businesses can start using RPA without needing a big tech team. Another trend is combining RPA with artificial intelligence, known as intelligent automation. By adding AI, RPA can handle more complex tasks, like reading and understanding documents. Cloud-based RPA is also becoming more popular. This means the RPA software runs on the internet, not just on a company's own computers. Cloud RPA is easier to set up and can work from anywhere. Lastly, there's a trend towards using RPA for entire processes, not just single tasks. This is called end-to-end automation. Instead of just automating one part of a job, companies are using RPA to handle whole workflows. RPA is being used in many different industries. One of the biggest users is the banking and finance sector. Banks use RPA for things like processing loan applications, checking credit scores, and handling customer service requests. RPA helps banks work faster and follow all the rules they need to follow. It also helps prevent fraud by spotting unusual patterns in transactions. Healthcare is another industry that's using RPA a lot. Hospitals and clinics use RPA to handle patient records, schedule appointments, and process insurance claims. RPA can help healthcare providers spend less time on paperwork and more time taking care of patients. The retail industry is also adopting RPA. Online stores use RPA to manage inventory, process orders, and handle returns. RPA can help make sure products are always in stock and orders are shipped quickly. Manufacturing companies are using RPA too. They use it to manage supply chains, track inventory, and monitor production lines. Let's look at some real examples of how companies are using RPA. One great example is from a big insurance company. They used RPA to handle car insurance claims. Before RPA, it took days to process a claim. Now, RPA bots can do it in minutes. The bots check the claim details, look up policy information, and even decide if the claim should be paid. This makes customers happy because they get their money faster. Another example is from a large telecom company. They used RPA to help with customer service. When a customer calls with a problem, RPA bots quickly gather all the information about that customer. This includes their account details, past issues, and current services. The human customer service agent gets all this information right away. This helps them solve the customer's problem much faster. A big retail company used RPA to manage their inventory. The RPA bots check stock levels in all their stores and warehouses. When something is running low, the bots automatically order more. The future of RPA looks very exciting. As technology gets better, RPA will be able to do more and more. One big area of growth is in cognitive RPA. This means RPA bots that can think and learn. These smart bots will be able to handle more complex tasks. They might be able to understand human language, make decisions, and even come up with new ideas. Another future trend is RPA working more closely with other technologies. For example, RPA might work with Internet of Things or IoT devices. IoT devices are things like smart sensors and connected machines. RPA could use data from these devices to make better decisions. In a factory, RPA might use sensor data to predict when a machine needs maintenance. This could help prevent breakdowns and save money. RPA might also start working more with blockchain technology. Blockchain is a secure way of storing information. RPA could use blockchain to handle sensitive data more safely. Businesses that don't use RPA might fall behind their competitors. RPA can make a company work faster and more efficiently. This means they can serve customers better and make more money. Companies that use RPA can often do more work without hiring more people. This saves a lot of money in the long run. RPA can also help businesses stay competitive in a changing world. As technology advances, customers expect faster service and better experiences. RPA can help businesses meet these expectations. For example, RPA can help a company respond to customer questions instantly, any time of day or night. Another reason to use RPA is that it can help businesses be more flexible. RPA can be quickly adjusted to handle new tasks or changes in how a company works. This means businesses can adapt faster to new opportunities or challenges. In today's fast-changing business world, this flexibility is very valuable. While RPA offers many benefits, it's important to know that it's not always easy to implement. One challenge is choosing the right processes to automate. Not every task is suitable for RPA. Companies need to carefully analyze their work to find the best opportunities for automation. This often requires help from RPA experts. Another challenge is managing the change that RPA brings. Some employees might worry that RPA will take their jobs. It's important for companies to communicate clearly about how RPA will be used. They should also help employees learn new skills so they can work alongside RPA. Security and privacy are also important considerations with RPA. RPA bots often handle sensitive information. Companies need to make sure their RPA systems are secure and follow all relevant laws and regulations. Lastly, maintaining and updating RPA systems can be challenging. As business processes change, RPA bots need to be updated too. Robotic process automation is changing the way businesses work. It's making companies faster, more efficient, and more competitive. RPA can handle boring tasks, freeing up humans to do more interesting and valuable work. It's not just for big companies anymore. Businesses of all sizes can benefit from RPA. As RPA technology continues to improve, its impact will only grow. We're seeing RPA combine with AI work in the cloud and handle more complex tasks. This opens up even more possibilities for what RPA can do. Industries from banking to healthcare to manufacturing are already seeing big benefits from RPA. While there are challenges in implementing RPA, the potential benefits are huge. companies that embrace RPA can work faster, make fewer mistakes, and serve their customers better. The RPA revolution is here, and it's changing the way we work. The future of work is automated, and RPA is leading the way.